Hi friends, welcome to Chemistry Online classes. Today I am discussing about the addition reaction of ammonia and ammonia derivatives. Reaction with first one, ammonia. We know that aldehyde, this is CH3, C double bond O, H, this is acetaldehyde. Plus react with the ammonia. This is I wrote separately NH2 total NH2, and this will be lost as water molecule, and generally this is in presence of acidic medium. This reaction is carried out. Then CH3 CH double bond 1 minute. Actually, it form first adduct. Later we discuss this. First adduct we discuss. That is NH2 H in presence of acidic medium. This is then CH3 C. This O and one H converted into OH. This H already is, and this will be converted to NH. One of the H is added to this O. Actually, it is according to mechanism. We cannot say this H added, this H added. According to mechanism, what this is. But I am not writing any mechanism. So one hydrogen added to oxygen and remaining NH to NH2. This is called adduct. Adduct means what is it? Addition product. Just these two are ammonia is added to this aldehyde. Then this is called amino alcohol. This is not complete name I am writing. Amine group is there, alcohol is there. Amino alcohol. If they ask naming acetaldehyde amine adduct, this is acetaldehyde is there and this ammonia. Then that adduct means addition product. Then later it lost water molecule OH and one H. Then CH3C, this OH loss, then here what is the here? H double bond and NH. This last class I given it. OH and one H, then water molecule last. Generally this adduct is little bit unstable. Immediately it may lose water molecule or it may polymerize. This is called dehydration. Water molecule loss, what do you call dehydration, and this type of group is there. Then what do you call this is imine. Nitrogen with double bond, NH is there, or any other alkyl group is there. That is called imine. Okay. Otherwise, it may be polymerized. It may be polymerized. Polymerized means what is it? Number of smaller units combined form a larger unit. So here one is like this 3 moles. For this 3 moles, for this 1 mole only, like this 3 moles form N. This is formed. Along with this 3 moles of water molecule eliminate. This is CH3. This is nothing but CH3. Next, here water molecule and another one. Same like this, how many molecules participating? 3 molecules. See, 1, 2 carbon next amine. 1, 2 carbon next amine. Like this 1, 2 carbon amine. This is 1, 2 and next amine. Like this, how many molecules are there? 3 molecules participating lost 3 moles of water molecule. This is a polymerized product. So these are somewhat little bit easily converted into their imine form or polymerized form. But with ammonia, there is a less stable form, and they are not discussing about textbook also. But just to mention this one word, if it is acetone is there, also like this form. I am giving this homework for you. This is a CH3C double ammonia. I want to write the separate. This is like this ammonia. Then write in acidic medium what is the product form. Like this similar, same up to here only write. This polymerization I don't want. Up to this adduct only write. Next, one more very important for the competitive exam. CET level also sometimes this question asked. That's why I am right here. This is formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. This is 6 moles. And ammonia is nearly 4 moles. These are combined to form like this. Here nitrogen, here nitrogen, here also nitrogen. Total how many nitrogens are there? 4. How many is this is CH2? How many CH2s are there? 6. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 are there. Now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is there. Total 6. 1 CH2, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then how many water molecules should last? 6 oxygen is there. 6 water molecules last. If you balance it, you will get this. This is called how many methylene? CH2 what you call? CH2 group is known as a methylene group. What do you call this? Is methane. So like this methylene, how many are there? 6. 6 means what do you call? Hexamethylene. How many amine is there? Tetraamine. Hexamethylene, tetraamine. Nitrogen balance is satisfied or not? Tested. Nitrogen functional 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3. For all it is satisfied. Now this is generally used for to treat urinary infection. This is also one of the medicine type act here. So used for which purpose this is? Urinary infection. To treat urinary infections. Like actors here medicine. But small change if you do, that is react with the HNO3. And its another name also is there. This is another common name is urotropine. Urotropine or what do you call? Hexamethylene tetraamine. Use of which purpose? To treat urinary infections. Now this urotropine, if treated with the HNO3, then what will form? Like this. This is called RDX. Along with this, ammonia is eliminated and water molecule also, sorry, formaldehyde also form here. So this is called RDX bond. RDX means what is it? Research Development Explosive. This is called RDX bond. See, from here to here, it is used for treatment of urinary infection. But here, small chain reaction with the HNO, they form RDX. It's another name also known as cyclonite or RDX. One time this question I think asked in the CET level, that's why I am reading this one. These are appear in your textbook. This is not appear, but heading they given aldehyde ketone react with ammonia. Formaldehyde also one of the aldehyde. React with ammonia, this is also possible. That's why they will ask like this question. Next. With ammonia like this product only we keep up to here only. And the next one, second, what is we discuss here? Ammonia next primary amine. Primary amine. What is the primary amine formula? RNH2. Now one example. CH3C double bond OH. Aldehyde react with this primary amine. Reverse cycle. Anyway you can no problem. Generally these reactions are reversible. And in acidic medium. Already shown here. First like this product form. Immediately what you do? Dehydration. That's right. Dehydration product I am writing here. Water molecules. CH3, C double bond. Here H is there. H double bond N R. Okay, this is called, again, already I told you, double bond N, whatever H or R, that is what you call imine. What do you call this is imine. This is not total name, just this functional group name this is also one of the functional group. Double bond NH is imine. Okay, this substituted imines, N substituted. This is substitution. R is methyl group or ethyl, whatever it is. N substituted imines are called Skipp's bases. Very important for complete exam purpose. Name. Each example is there this line. Then which of the following is known as Skipp's base? Skipp's reagent separate is there. The latter one is Skipp's reagent. But here Skipp's base meaning what is there? Any N substituted. It means on nitrogen any methyl ethyl group substituted or benzene also. So such type of imines are called Skipp's base. Very important. This is with the primary amine. Next. This primary amine, so many examples we discussed already. Now this is ammonia NH2H. NH2 is there. Instead of one hydrogen, what we have now? R. This primary, we can write example here. CH3, C double bond O, CH3 react with the NH2R in acidic medium. This is a homework for you. What is the product form? Simple H2O. So I will write here H2O as a byproduct loss. You also write the same. Next, second one, what is that? NH2. Instead of this hydrogen, we can put what is that? OH. Its name hydroxyl amine. Hydroxyl amine. This is also which one? Primary amine type only. Later we will discuss about the secondary amine. Because NH2 part only first complete, later we can go for the secondary part. See, I want to take here acetaldehyde. C double bond OH, acetaldehyde react with this NH2OH hydroxyl amine, generally in acidic medium, reversible reaction. This is simple water molecule loss. Then CH3 CH double bond NOH. This is the product from, otherwise you can write like this also. H you can write double bond NOH. This is called, this group is called oxime. This is also one of the functional group, oxime. Here double bond NR is there, that is imine. Double bond NOH is there, that is called oxime. So this, what is the name of this oxime? This acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde plus oxime. Total is known as acetaldoxime. What is the name of this compound? Acetaldoxime. Now the question, here I am giving one question for you. the formed product having any isomer or not. It means how many product form when acetaldehyde react with the hydroxyl amine. Question is what is that? Acetaldehyde react with the hydroxyl amine. How many products are formed? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. You have to answer. Then you may ask a question without explanation how we have to answer. This concept you have in first year in general organic chemistry. So based on that we have to answer this. Okay. Now if you take acetone, this is CH3C double bond O CH3. This is acetone react with the NH2OH hydroxyl amine. Keep in mind, generally these are hydroxyl amines converted to oxides. Already given product oxide. Which oxide? Aldehyde is converted to acetal oxide. Ketone converted to ketoxide. Which ketone this is? Acetone. Acetoxide. Once again, CH3 water molecules O and H2 and CH3 double bond N OH plus H2O water molecule last. This is water molecule last. This is called acetone plus hydroxyl amine is called acetoxide. Now here same question. When acetone react with the hydroxyl amine, how many products are possible? Question is same. Options are changed. 0, 1, 2, D, 4. That is your options are given here. You have to answer. Next, one more example I will be like this. pH double bond O react with the NH2OH in acidic medium. Write the products and answer how many products are possible. Products means that may be isomer or whatever. How many isomer or how many products are possible we have to write. Okay? That's the question for you. Now, this is also one ketone. This ketone react with the NH2OH. This is one equivalent. One equivalent. One more molecule considered here. In acidic medium. What is the product form? These are questions. Don't think these are a very concrete level. We know that aldehyde or ketone react with hydroxyl amine. What is the product form? Any ketone we can take here. Not only acetaldehyde and ketone, what we call acetone. Next one, one ammonia completed, one primary amine completed, one hydroxyl amine completed. Next one, the next one that is ammonia 1, second primary amine 2, hydroxyl 3. This is the fourth one. So fourth one is NH2NH2. Simply it is also known as N2H4. This is called hydrazine. What do you call this? Hydrazine. This hydrazine react with the CH3C double bond OH. What is the hydrazine formula? NH2NH2. Hydrazine already given me. Simply water molecule loss. All is same. These are all in acidic medium, weak acidic medium. Then the formal product is CH3CH double bond NH2. Simple water molecule last here. When hydrazines react with the aldehyde or ketone, they are called hydrazone. Hydrazone. Already given here one statement, what is the aldehyde or ketone react with the hydroxyl amine, what they form? Oxide. Then what is the latter being converted? acetaldehyde is an acetoxide. Sorry, acetaloxide. Acetone is an acetoxide. Oxide what should come because they are oxide. Now here what they form here? Hydrazines are given to zones. Here what is the word is it? Z-I-N-E. Here what is it? Z-O-N-E. Remaining part same is it? Hydra. Zine converted to zone. Now which aldehyde will be here? Acetaldehyde. Then it's actually what is it? Acetaldehyde hydrogenases. Acetaldehyde hydrazone. If acetone is taken, acetone hydrazone. Same, the two names we have to add. Take the example acetone. Then CH3, C double bond O, CH3 react with the hydrazine. Then what is the product form and write the name. Same, just water molecule remove and put the both combination. This component, this compound. That time what is the name? Acetone hydrazone. Here what is it? Acetaldehyde hydrazone. Next, hydrazone respective may be completed. Now the question is, fourth one, next fifth one. NH2 NH PH. What is the name of this compound? Phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Hydrazine called hydrazine same instead of one hydrogen phenyl together. This is called phenyl hydrazine. Now take the acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH react with the NH2 NH pH nothing but what is C6H5. Same here, water molecule loss in acidic medium. Then what it convert? CH3 CH double bond NH pH. Its name what is that? Hydrazine. Then what is the product name? Hydrazone. Zenes are turned into zone. But what is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde react with the phenyl hydrazine. That's what it's called. Acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. Just add name. Acetaldehyde phenyl hydrazone. Zenes are converted to zone. This is very easy to remember. Then this is a homework for you. This is acetone. What do you call this? Acetone. React with this phenyl hydrazine. Then what is the product form? Right? And name also right. Name I will give here. What is the name? Acetone phenyl hydrazine. Okay. Next one. This is called this fifth, sixth. NH2 NHC double bond O NH2. What is the name of this compound? Semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide. Take one example here. Acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde react with the NH2 NHC double bond O NH2. Then what you can remove this is water molecule remove. Then you will get water molecule remove. Here also I remove here water molecule. Then here anywhere water molecule remove. Now CH3 C double bond H N NH C double bond O NH2. Here Z is there. Then what is converted? Zone. Here zide is there. Here semi-carbazide and semi-carbazone. It is called carbazone. Semi-carbazone. Semi-carbazone. Z-O-N-E. Which carbazone complete name? Acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. What is the name? Acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. Now the question here. Here also NH2 is there. Here also NH2 is there. Then why this water molecule not lost from this side? You may ask like this also. Now I am writing acetone. Like this possible or not? Like you may ask the question. This is like reverse. Like this reaction possible or not? Question. Not possible I am giving here. Then you have to think according to your first year concept. Why not possible? Only this side water molecule lost, this side not lost. Even this H2O is not lost. This H2O is lost. Why? You have to think according to your first year electronic effect. Inductive effect, mesomeric effect, nothing more. Resonance effect is there. Hyperconjugation. These are electronic ones. Which effect is there here? You have to think. Okay? EUC level is enough. But competitive exam level, they will ask why not lost like this? Possible or not? Then you have to answer. Okay? This is semi-carbon level. Next one. All these are generally from white acetate. That's why we cannot identify which is carbonyl compound. It means aldehyde ketones are generally give this type of reaction. Some other may not be given. So these all from white PPD, hydrazines, oxides, all this is white PPD. Another one is there, that is called 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP, that is the last reagent, I think the seventh reagent. Okay, what is the 2,4-DNP formula? NH2NH and this NO2. NO2. This is called 2,4-DNP. What is the 2,4-DNP? 2,4